Hey there, Starry Seekers! Get ready for an out-of-this-world story that's going to take you on a wild ride through the cosmos and deep into the heart of ancient mythology. Buckle up, because it's time to dive into the origins of the legendary Starry Elephant. Picture this. A long time ago, in a universe not so far away, the sky was like an artist's canvas, a blank slate of pure cosmic potential. But, as any creative genius knows, blank canvases are meant to be splashed with colour and imagination. Enter the Starry Elephant, a majestic celestial being with shimmering tusks that glowed like the brightest stars. This funky cosmic critter had a mischievous streak, and with a flap of its cosmic ears, it conjured up tales from the farthest corners of the universe. One day, while strolling along the Milky Way, the Starry Elephant met the gossamer giraffe, a twinkling wonder known for its elegance. Together, they hatched a plan to paint the skies with stories that would spark the imagination of beings across galaxies. The Starry Elephant and the gossamer giraffe gathered stardust, moonbeams, and a sprinkle of nebula magic. With a cosmic fandango, they unleashed stories that soared through space. Myths of love, legends of bravery, and fables of unity. As the stories twinkled in the night sky, people from countless planets looked up in wonder. They saw animals forming constellations, heroes battling cosmic dragons, and a symphony of dreams woven into the fabric of the universe. And thus, the Starry Elephant and the gossamer giraffe became the cosmic storytellers, spreading tales that transcended time and space. Every twinkle in the sky had a story to tell, a lesson to impart, and a connection to forge among galaxies. So, the next time you gaze up at the stars, remember the Starry Elephant and the gossamer giraffe, two celestial poles who turned the night sky into a canvas of wonder and wisdom. And who knows, maybe you'll discover a new constellation that tells your own unique story. Stay curious, cosmic adventurers, and keep reaching for those starry dreams.